Good day, people. Seth McGinn here with CanCooker. Thank you for tuning in. Today, gonna go over our new multi-fuel portable cooktop. Comes in this hard plastic convenient storage case. Take it out. One of the key features when you take it out is the pot assembly tray is gonna be upside down for storage, so it fits in here. The big deal, you'll see it's got a sticker on it. Turn it over. Now you can use any size can cooker, pot, pan, perfect for camping, tailgating, even a backyard cookout. This one you can either run off propane or butane. Comes with a hose regulator for the 1 pound propane. Undo it, run it through the hole in the back, screw it on, and then hook it to your 1 pound propane bottle. Today I'll show you, just for the easy use, butane. Put it in there, there's a notch in there, lock it down, automatic ignite, no matches, no lighter, fully adjustable flame, perfect for camping, tailgating, even a backyard cookout. You can find this product along with all of our products on CanCooker.com.